Here she comes. You gonna get it past the goalie? Here she comes. Look at the moves. Look at the footwork. Get it past the goalie. Trick the goalie and blast it in there. Oh! Soccer star! Hey, come here. Hey, say hi to all your fans. Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
I'm Gianna the soccer star.
I'm Gianna Soccer Star.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Let me see those muscles. Oh, now you're boxing. Let me see those muscles.
I'm gonna try to trick you now.
Try to trick me again like the goalie. Ready? Get that out of here! Whoa, get that out of here! Soccer star.
What is that?
Just come over here. It's dirt. Yeah. It was a little muddy from raining out. Huh. Look at the moves. Look at the footwork. Let's see that footwork. Whoa. Oh, you made a goal. Now you got to get it, goalie. Look at the footwork. Goalie bowly. Oh, you're good. Good job.